Allied General Industries is an American company headquartered in South Florida with more than 40 years of experience in plastic injection molding. Our facility is strategically located next to Florida's Turnpike and close to Interstate I-95, with fast and easy access to ports and airports in Miami and Fort Lauderdale. It currently encompasses 70,000 square feet of manufacturing and office space. This is dedicated to the injection molding of plastic parts for a wide range of segments, from the automotive industry to consumer products. Allied General has the know-how, machinery, and technology to run any project, meeting specific applications and requirements to make your project a reality. We recently invested in new state-of-the-art injection molding machines. These machines are some of the most technologically advanced in the industry. They provide superior and efficient production, ensuring full customer satisfaction. These machines range in size from 100 tons to 780 tons, enabling us to produce from small precision parts to much larger parts measuring up to 4 feet in length. Extremely fast delivery times combined with our high levels of efficiency allows us to easily beat the competition. If you already have your own molds, we can use them into our machines and begin molding your product quickly. Or we'll analyze your existing design, build your mold, and manufacture your plastic injected parts. If you need modifications on your existing molds, we also have a fully equipped tool room that can perform repairs and modifications as needed. In addition to our injection services, we also provide all manufacturing, packaging, and logistics services, making sure that your products are ready and delivered to your final customer. With an integrated logistics center that can accommodate over 2,000 pallets, we also offer storage services for our customers. Due to the growing demand of Allied General Service, we're planning a future expansion of an additional 40,000 square feet state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. Our goal has always been the complete satisfaction of our customers while providing economic growth, employment, and production resources in the United States. We are Allied General Industries, a company that grows, innovates, and reinvents itself every day. Although our technology and equipment are among the best in the industry, it's our people that are our greatest asset. Allied General Industries, world-class injection molding, satisfying the needs of our customers.